Good morning, fourth graders. I hope you're doing well. I hope you slept well last night. And today, I hope this is a wonderful day of learning for you and spending time with your families. It's a little bit cloudy here, but it's nice. I can hear the birds singing, and Sally's out in the backyard. She's hunting right now. So today, we're actually going to learn about the different types of angles, and we're going to be using our protractor. But let's start with a warm-up with some multiplication facts. 7 times 8, 6 times 6, 9 times 4, 6 times 3, 6 times 4, 9 times 9, 3 times 2, 1 times 5, 1 times 7, 5 times 7, 6 times 8, 3 times 7, 7 times 4, 5 times 8, 3 times 4, 3 times 3, 4 times 4, 7 times 6, 8 times 4, 3 times 8, and 8 times 8. Good job. I want to show you something that you can make at home too. I had some foam board here, but if you don't have the foam board, you could use paper. Just cut out a lot of triangles, and then on each one, hold this up where you can see it. I'm going to hold up the hardest one. Write the two factors at the bottom, like 7 times 8, and write the answer at the top, 56. And whomever is calling these out to you can hold your finger over the answer, and they can say 7 times 8, and you can say 56. Also, you can use these for division. So you would hold your finger over one of the factors, and this would be your dividend. So 56 divided by 8 would be what? 7. You can hold your finger over this one. Say 56 divided by 7 would be what? 8. It's pretty cool because you can use these interchangeably. So I've made some of these. We'll work on these maybe tomorrow instead of the cards. Let's just do a division warm-up problem. If you'll write this down on your paper. 381 divided by 4. What's 3 divided by 4? You can't divide 3 by 4, can you? So we're going to put an X over it. 38 divided by 4. What would that be? You want to go as far as you can without going over. Let's see, 4 times 8, 4 times 9 would be what? Because 4 times 10, you know, would be what? 4 times 10 would be 40, so that's too much. 4 times 9, or 9 times 4 is 36. Multiply, subtract, compare, bring down. Now you're here. You're going to start over. 21 divided by 4. How many times can 4 be multiplied? 5. Multiply. Subtract. Compare. Do you have anything else to bring down? No. remainder 1. So 381 divided by 4 is 95, remainder 1. Check your answer. Go ahead and check all of this. All right, I'm going to show you the protractor. And I'm just going to talk about the degrees on the protractor for a minute. So this is a 90-degree angle, and as you go this way, as your object opens up, which I'll show you in a little bit, it goes up by 5, so like 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, so all the way up to 180. Start back at your right angle, which is 90 degrees. As your object closes, as the angle gets smaller, it's going to go 80, 75, 70, 65, 60, 55, 50, all the way, 20, 10, 5, 0. There's not an angle on a straight line when it's flat. Okay. Also, let me show you this. If you have an angle, if you're measuring an angle, this is called the vertex. This is the arm. This is the arm. And this is the angle. It can be a larger angle, it can be a smaller angle, and we'll learn about the differences in those. But this part is the angle, the measurement. Okay? Vertex, arm, angle. We'll come back to that. Let's do a little bit of board work. If you will, write down 98 times 72. So write that down and begin working that and see if you can work it before I do. Let's check our video. Okay, so 8 times 2 is 16. Regroup. Multiply everything times our 2. 2 times 9 is 18. Plus 1 is 19. Now you want to come over to your tens place, your 7. So we're going to hold a spot here. Now we're multiplying everything times the 7. 7 times 8 is 56. Regroup. 7 times 9 is 63. Plus 5 is 68. You're going to add the 2. So our answer, I'm not sure if you can see it in the video, 7,056. 7,056. If I ever make a mistake, please just let me know, because I'm just going to keep on rolling. So remember how we worked Singapore math problems in class where you have the model drawing? Remember, you have your total, then you split it based on the objects, numbers that you have. Well, I want you to look at this picture. This is the goldfish created by Henry Matisse. He's one of my favorite artists. This is oil on canvas, and it's at the Pushkin Museum of Fine Art in Moscow, Russia. I want you to make a problem based on this painting. So if you can see in the painting, there are 4 goldfish. You can see the reflection. There's also some dots and flowers. I want you to make a problem based on this picture. Whatever you want to about this picture. Could be any operation, division, multiplication, subtraction, addition. You can draw pictures to go with it. All right. And I'm not going to do one today. I'm just going to let you do that. I'm going to go right into what is an angle. I showed you what an angle is. An angle measures the amount of turn. So I actually used my hands to show you, then I'll use some manipulatives. So this is an angle. This is an angle. Angles turn. So I'm going to put my linking cubes together. Actually, I'm going to fit one on the side. See if I can remember how to do this. So this is an angle. This is an angle. This is an angle. This is an angle. It's the amount of turn. This is an angle too. It's a large angle. But this is the vertex. It's the dot. And this is your angle, whatever it is. This part right here that I showed you earlier. As an angle increases, the name changes. And so we're going to learn about those different names. There are 3 main types of angles, and there's one more that I want to mention to you. You have an acute angle, and you can remember this by a cute little angle. So an acute angle is going to be less than 90 degrees. So it's going to be anything below 90 degrees. Cute little angles. You make these with your hands. Cute little angle. Make them with your arms. Cute little angles. Remember, they're less than 90 degrees. Less than 90 degrees. The next one is a right angle. This is a right angle. It's perfectly straight. Right here, you could draw a square in the angle. This is a right angle, and it measures 90 degrees with the protractor. So it's right at 90 degrees. This is a right angle. You can make one with your hands. You can make one with your arms. Right angle. It is exactly 90 degrees. The third one is an obtuse angle. Obtuse. And you can remember this because it is more than 90 degrees. So 90 degrees, anything more obtuse. Obtuse. It's wide, obtuse. It's big, has a large angle. It's more than 90 degrees. Here's another one that most people don't mention. I don't remember ever learning about this one in school. Maybe I wasn't paying attention. It's important to pay attention. But it's a reflex angle. And I'm going to add that here at the bottom. reflex. So acute, right, obtuse. Then anything that is more than 180, like if you have it like this, acute, right, obtuse, straight angle, straight line, go down here. This is reflex. It's like you're very, it's like more than a split. You're very bendable. Reflex. Reflex. It's more than 180 degrees. It's a reflex angle. More than 180 degrees. And you can see this in this protractor. It's really a circle. So if I have the 90-degree angle here, let me put that one back on. This will work better. 90-degree angle. Acute, acute. 90. Acute, 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 acute. 90. Obtuse, 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 straight. Reflex, 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 it hurts. It reflex, 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 reflex. This goes from 0 degrees, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Cute. 90. It goes to 100. On up and 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 up and on up and up. This is obtuse, 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 obtuse. Straight. Then reflex, 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 all the way to 360 degrees. The circle has 360 degrees. Each quadrant is 90, 90, 90, 180, 90, 90, 180. All of it together, if you add the 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, it's 360. 360, 360 degrees in a circle. All right, at home, I would like for you to draw a picture of each one of these angles and label them. Also, find some things in your house that you could make angles with. Maybe bendy sticks. You could cut out paper and staple them or glue them or tape them together. or you don't even have to connect them. You can just use the paper strips and make angles. What kind of angle is this? This would be a 90-degree angle, which would be a right angle. This is less than 90 degrees, so it would be a cute little angle, acute. This is more than 90 degrees, so it would be obtuse. Then you've got this one. Got this on the line, and it's going to be harder to do this, the reflex, but you have to show that this is your straight line here. Okay, that is your 180, and you'd have to show that you've come below that. So really, if you're here and you come below that, that would be a reflex angle. But you've got to show that that's open all the way up, and it's more than what an obtuse would be. So here's your straight, and so it's like this. It's this way. Reflex. Okay? So tell me what kind these are. What type of angle would this be? Good. Right? What kind would this be? Cute. Very good. Is this an angle? It's just a straight line. About this one? Reflex. Obtuse. Those are the 4 types of angles. I want to show you a website really quickly that you can get on. It's mathisfun.com. Move this over where maybe you can see it, and I'll send the link. But if you go to mathisfun.com and click on angles, you can see the different types: acute, right, obtuse, straight, where it's a straight line, reflex, and full radiation is where you make the whole circle. It gives you a definition of each, and then right here it actually has the circle, and you can make angles, and it tells you the degrees. So if you have your protractor, you can start measuring angles. Probably do something with that tomorrow, but I just wanted you to become familiar with the types of angles. See if you can make some types, see if you can discover some types, name them. Play around with this. Going down, you can read about each type. You can read about the parts of an angle. Like this, vertex is the dot. It's where you line it up to measure. This is the angle. Then you've got the 2 arms. How to label angles. But it gives you some practice actually at the bottom. So this will give you something to look at today. All of this is extra. This is not for a grade. This is just for learning purposes for you. I miss you. I love you very much. Contact me if you have any questions, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.